Hello guys, today we are doing a Pixagraph review where this is the name of the software which we are going to do a complete review, and we'll see like what exactly this software is all about. Well, if you go to the sales page, what it says is that it's a finally cracked one-click software lets you put buy button, opting form videos and more right on the top of images, resulting in a 300% increase in revenue. So what this particular software claims to be is that this is a software where you can do where you can put buttons and where you can put in opting form as well as videos and all those options that you can put it in one particular software instead of getting multiple software for all these options. So this seems to be an interesting one. So we'll do a complete review like what exactly this particular software is. But before going ahead, let me tell you or let me show you like what are the bonuses that I'm going to offer you in case you are picking this particular software using my affiliate link. You just download this YouTube video. So the first bonus that I'll be giving you is a tutorial or it's a training program which is known as $0 to $100 in 24 hours. So this is a very in-depth training wherein you will get to know how you can use this training and you can start earning $0 to $100 in 24 hours using digital marketing techniques and strategies. So this is a very powerful training. I would request you to like this. This would be really helpful. In fact, I would say. And the next one is Kickstart survey feedback. So this is a program wherein you can go ahead and uh, conduct survey on any site, because when you are launching a product or when you're providing your services to your customer or to your to your leads, then you want to know like what are their feedback. So instead of going out personally to them and asking for that, you can conduct a survey using this particular software, and you will be able to know like what are the feedback they're giving and what are the areas that you improve on your program or on your software, so that like you can fine tune your services and product going ahead. So this will definitely help you a lot as well. And the next one is a WP commission clocker. So this is a WordPress commission clocker, so wherein you can use this copy paste this particular program, and this will really help you to increase your commission going forward as well. In fact, in affiliate marketing, if you are into. Well, the fourth bonus is the Profit Factory, and this is also a training program which will help you or which will make you understand how you need to approach for your affiliate marketing business. So this is a very in-depth tutorial as well, an intense one. So make sure that in case you are getting this software, then this bonus will be given to you. So make sure that you make use of this bonus at the max. And along with all these bonuses that I'm offering you, you're also getting the vendor bonuses. The vendor is also giving you some very congruent bonuses from his side, which is very much applicable to this software as well. Well, once you go ahead and like buy this particular program or this particular software, all these bonuses will be delivered to you, and you can access those bonus on your Warrior Plus purchase section. Where this is the blue button where you will find it. Once you click on it, you'll be able to access all those bonuses. All right, now let's go ahead and I see what exactly this particular program or this particular software is all about. Well, it says that you can build your list and generate fresh leads. You can increase your sales and improve your conversion and skyrocket your engagement, video, and traffic. So you can see like how it works. So this is the software wherein you can go ahead and like build a landing page, this kind of landing page, which is quite attractive, and you can connect to that landing page with your autoresponder. So when someone like when you're sharing this landing page to your customers or to your leads, then what happens, or you are running traffic to this landing page, then you will be able to gather those email ID of your prospect. So this is definitely a very important feature of your online business. And the second one is saying like it increase your sales and improve your conversion. Since this is a very attractive, like you can see a very attractive landing page you can build, so definitely it will it will help you to increase your sales and conversion. And the third feature that it has is that you can also skyrocket engagement and video traffic. So you can not only you can create a landing page, but you can use videos as well in this particular software, by which, you know, like, since videos are very much attractive, so people will engage to your videos, and they might go ahead and like land up in your inbox as well by subscribing to your email list. So that is also a very important feature, or in fact, that is the ongoing feature that is in the market that is trending right now. So these features are definitely going to help you in case you are thinking that Pixagraph is the right software for your business right now. And apart from that, like, what it is saying is that what they are going to give you is that it is a full-fledged photo editor. So you can edit photos and you can put it in that particular software. So an editor is being given, so you are saving a lot of money by not purchasing a photo editor. And you can extract, or you can use those high definition images from Pixabay, Flickr, Mock, and these are absolutely legal. So you are making these pictures like in those photo editor, and you edit it according to your requirement and you start using it. And the second one is that image hover technology. So this has a new technology, the Pixagraph property technology, allow you to run any sort of marketing on the top of your images. So as I said, like, you can run any kind of marketing campaign by using these images on this particular software, and you can connect your autoresponder to it, by which you can create a email list, and you can also you will be able to create high converting done for you templates are there being given already. So you don't have to build a funnel for your business, but already done for you DFI funnel are being given are there, which you can use it according to your charts. And definitely there is another option called drag and drop solution. So you can it's a very easy one, like whatever options you require for your funnel or for your page builder, you can use those. So it's just a drag and drop, so no coding, nothing, you know, you have to do over on this particular software. So it seems to be a very easy and you know, like a newbie friendly software. So if you are starting your online business, then definitely you need a landing page, you need attractive funnels. So all these are being given here. You might need videos, you might need some very attractive pictures. So all those options are already included in this software. So this particular software would be really helpful if you are planning, or if you are thinking of buying a landing page or creating a funnel in WordPress or any other like page builder, which might cost you a lot, and that too on a recurring basis. But this software is being given as a one-time fee, so you don't have to pay on a monthly basis. So you are saving a lot of money, and moreover, since it's a drag and drop solution, it's a like done for you converting funnels are there. You just use those pictures from Pixabay and Flickr, which are like very high-end websites and high definition pictures, quality pictures you'll be getting. So, you know, like all the things, I see that in a nutshell, it seems to be a very good package. And this is a must if you are looking for all these feature in one software, instead of subscribing to a funnel, to a page builder, and subscribing to a image website. So you are saving a lot of money in this. So let us go ahead and once again see like what let us summarize what exactly the software is giving. It is giving a full-fledged online photo editor, which is generally like $397 in the market. We're getting a powerful built-in image curator, by which you can edit your picture, which is $197 is the value in the market. Image over technology, $297. Autoresponder, 97 value. I think this is very less data which has been shown over here, because autoresponder generally it will cost you $20 to $30 per month. So on a year you are spending around 300 to $350. And high converting DFY templates. So this is also definitely a great addition to this software. And a drag and drop offer creation. So you can create your offer just by dragging those pictures and dragging those features which are there in the software. So total value is 1683. That's what it says. But I feel this is all these features that are here. if you go ahead and like buy it separately and use it, then most of these software provider, they charge you on a monthly basis. So you might be spending more than what it is showing in the over here, that's 1683. So I believe like you might be spending somewhere around 1800 to $2000 in a year for all this software if you're using it separately, which is being given as a as a package in one software, which is really helpful, and which would be really great if you are a beginner or if you are thinking of buying all this software. But if you go to the price, let us see like what exactly. Let me go and like click over here. I don't think like I'll be able to get it, but let me tell you that this is somewhere around like $17 if you go on the day, the launch day, when it happens. When you click on it, it is somewhere around $17, which is insane. You know, like as compared to $1,600, if you compare 17, then it is nothing. So I think like this software would be a really a helpful tool in case you are thinking of building your digital asset, and these are the tools which are very much needed to build a digital business of yours or online business, whether it is affiliate marketing or digital marketing or social media marketing or whichever format of marketing that you're doing in the digital media. These are the must software that you have to have. So I believe if you think that this is the right fit for your business, and it fits your budget as well, I don't think it should not fit your budget, because $17 is nothing in comparison to $1,600. So you should go ahead and like get it for yourself. I hope this particular review video was helpful to you, and thank you very much for watching this video, and have a great day. Bye bye.